We need a mount for GoPro for have the Garmin, and we go today to pick it up, the original exhaust for Mini Cooper. So yeah, this today the story. Let's go. Go to move. Can you? Good. We are back. So here is the exhaust. We get it. Oh, we get the exhaust. We need to some repair. So we need to fix it. The manifold is not really perfect, but yeah, we will fix this. So first of all, put it in the garage there, and then return the bus. Here we have the completely exhaust and the manifold. Original manifold. So yeah, here see, probably I need to weld it, so to fix it, but doesn't look that was actually leaking out. So yeah, let's see. Overall it's okay, it's original, and yeah, this is what we needed because of the some legal problems. But yeah, let's see what will be next time when we put the exhaust on, and yeah, see you till then.